If you're looking to develop your basic drawing skills, it's always a really good idea to start off with simple shapes. Drawing simple shapes such as rectangles, elliptical shapes, cuboids, cubes, and then building up and adding detail to your drawings as you develop them further. So what I'm going to demonstrate in this drawing is how to create a very simple basic still life by drawing simple shapes such as rectangles and elliptical shapes. Always focus on drawing very faintly and lightly with the pencil, and obviously adding things like centre lines and looking at your proportions carefully. Also consider the size and scale of objects as you draw. This is called relative proportion. So for example, the size and scale of an object when compared to another object. One other thing that I would advise you to try and do when you're drawing a still life is also to look at negative spaces, that is the spaces in between the objects as you're drawing them, as this can allow you, I would say, to create more accurate drawings by looking at the spaces in between. If you find something difficult to draw, it's always, for example, easier to look at the space rather than the detail of the object itself. So here we go.